y'all, welcome to today's video. I had a request from someone to do a smoky eye. You know who you are. So I went ahead and did that for you. I think it turned out really pretty. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Here we go. I went ahead and did the full face. The only thing I have not done is the eyeshadow. So this is strictly just going to be a smoky eyeshadow tutorial. Okay, so just to let you know, I did go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer when I concealed the face, and I always kind of use my sponge and spread it up onto the eyelid, as well as use my setting powder, which today I used the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. So I have that on the eyelids. That's the only thing I've done on the eyelids, just to kind of get them primed and ready for the eyeshadow application. Okay, today I think we're going to use this palette from Tarte. This is the Tartelette In Bloom palette. It's just got some really pretty neutral colors that I think would look great for a smoky eye. So we're going to use this one today. There's a couple different ways you can do a smoky eye. I've seen smoky eyes that the full lid is black and then it gradually gets lighter as it goes up. And then there's also where the corner is dark and it gradually gets lighter as it goes across this way. I am going to do a more simple smoky eye, so we're going to focus on just a dark corner and kind of gradually getting lighter this way. I might do like a more intense smoky eye tutorial with the full black lid in another video, but for this one it's just going to be kind of a more simple classic smoky eye. Up first, I'm going to take my Sigma E40, and we are going to jump into this color right here called Smarty Pants. And we're just going to blend that all into the crease. And you can go ahead and go down onto the lid too. Okay, so we just kind of dusted that from, I'd say, a little higher than the crease down to the lashes, the full lid, basically. I want to point out that you can do this look with any palette. It doesn't have to be this one. If you have any palette that has just neutral tones, like this one, dark browns and light browns, and a few creams and maybe like a shimmer, you can do this. So you don't have to use this palette, but if you have this palette, hey, that helps. So next, we're going to go into this shade here called Rebel. And I'm using that same brush, and we're going to go into just the outer corner. Just focus kind of on the outer corner. And we do kind of like a V, or like a triangle pattern. If your eyeshadow isn't sticking very well, what you can do is you can pat it on first and then go back and kind of blend it. If it's really not sticking, you can pack it on and then blend it out. Okay, next we're going to go even deeper. So we're going to go into this shade here called Leader, which is kind of like a really rich chocolatey, dark chocolate. Again, same brush. And now we're just going to focus strictly on patting it onto that corner. And don't be scared to go outside of your eyelid. Like, that's going to make your eyes look bigger and bolder. So don't be afraid to go outside of your actual eyelid, because once you add the liner and mascara, it'll all come together. So I'm going to grab this little fluffy brush from Too Faced, and it's basically the same. It's pretty similar. It's just a lot smaller, so I can kind of be more precise on where I'm placing the color. Okay, so next we're going to go into this deeper brown here. It's called Activist, and I'm just going to take some on my brush and really focus on deepening up that corner. And then what you want to do is any product that is left on your brush, once you put some on the corner, we're going to kind of sweep into the crease just a little bit, just to kind of deepen up the crease like that. Okay, I know it looks crazy, but I promise it'll turn out really pretty. So lastly, we're going to take that darkest shade here that's pretty much almost black. It's called Smoke Show. And again, we're just going to deepen up that corner even more. Okay, I've got quite a bit of fallout, so before we do anything else, it's bothering me, so I'm going to wipe it off. Okay, next we're going to take our bigger blending brush, the E40, and we're going to go back into the first color that we started with, right here, Rebel. And now I'm just going to kind of drag it from the corner out just to kind of blend all those colors together so it's kind of seamless. Once you drag it out from the corner, then you can just kind of blend everywhere. Now it's just more blended, so you can see the difference. This one is a lot more blended, obviously, than that one. Okay, next I'm going to take my Sigma E60, and we're going to go into this really pretty shimmery color down here called Funny Girl. And what I'm going to do is I'm first going to apply it just with a dry brush. So first we're going to get some on our brush and apply it just to, oh my goodness, do y'all see how pretty that is? Oh, just to the inside of the lid. Okay, well, I was going to say we'll wet it and do it more intense, but I don't think we need to. This is pretty intense as it is. How pretty is that? And then I'm going to take my blending brush and just kind of blend that crease where it meets. Just for the sake of seeing, I'm going to go ahead and put some on my finger and just pop it right on the lower lash line. Oh my goodness, that is intense. It's almost too intense. Like, what is going on? We might have to dial that down just a hair, because... Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm going to take my blending brush and we're just going to kind of blend that down a little bit because that was a little too intense, I think. Okay, so now it's just kind of a more blended look. Okay, I'm going to take my small pencil brush, the E30, and we're going to go into this shade here, Leader, and pop that on the bottom lid. Okay, then I'm going to take my other pencil brush. It's the same brush, I just have two. I use one for light colors and one for dark colors. So we're going to take the one I use for lighter colors, the E30, and I'm going to go back into that shimmery color that we used, Funny Girl, and we're going to pop that on the inner corner of the eye just to kind of brighten it up. Okay, now we are done with the eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex liner. I cannot see. Y'all don't understand how cluttered my makeup vanity is right now. I'm getting ready to do a video on organizing all this makeup. So if you're interested in watching that, that's coming because I can't see nothing. And I mean nothing. Maybe this will work. I have got a bump, like a little milk bump right here where my liner is supposed to like end, and it's making it look messed up. Like, What is going on? Any of y'all ever get them little bumps? Golly, they drive me crazy. There's nothing you can do about them. They just go away on their own, but goodness. Okay, so the top liner's done, and then I'm going to go in with more of like a gel liner and do my waterline. So we're going to go in with the Tarte Sex Kitten, and we're just going to do the waterline, which is right here. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. We're going to pop that on. I am making a mess. Oh, I just got it all up under my eye. And then just to try to amp up those lashes even more, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. And sometimes I like to just layer this on afterwards, just kind of on the ends to kind of really pump up the volume on them suckers. Why not? Go in there real quick. Amp them puppies up. I forgot one thing. Cannot believe I forgot this. Oh my goodness. Let's go back into our palette real quick. I forgot to highlight the brow bone. So we're going to take our little pencil brush. We're going to go into that same sparkle shimmer color and just highlight that brow bone. Makes all the difference in the world. Now. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I think it turned out really pretty. If y'all would like to know what I have on the rest of my face, I'll go ahead and link all that in the description, and you can go check that out. I hope y'all like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.